What are you going to do to the pancake?
Flip it.
You got to wait till it cooks, buddy. And then you're going to do what?
If you flip it too high, it'll get on the ceiling.
Whoa. If you flip it too high, it'll go on the ceiling?
Yeah.
We better be careful, Carter.
It's up there in the ceiling. See? No.
We don't want it on the ceiling.
Yeah.
All right, it's hot. Scoot back.
If we use a broom.
What?
This way, it'll be over.
You want ice cream on your pancake?
When I cut.
Huh?
Huh?
Do you want ice cream on top of your pancake?
Yeah.
I think it's too early for ice cream, no?
I like ice cream.
You like ice cream?
Yeah. I want on my top. I want on my top.
You want what on your top?
I want ice cream on my top.
On your top of what?
The rock.
Huh?
Can't. Flipper. Flipper.
What do you want?
Huh? 2 flippers. There's 2 flippers.
We want the big flipper. Where's the big one?
Here.
Okay, put the little one down. All right. Should we flip?
Here. Dad, I'm ready.
All right.
Whoa.
What do you think? Did you do a good job?
I'm gonna put it back.
You gonna put it back? But how are we gonna get it out of the pan?
How? Use this.
We'll use that. Should we wait for it to cook the rest of the way?
You do.
All right. Put the little one down. We don't need that. What do you think? Is it done?
It is done.
Okay, should we put it on a plate? Don't push.
Huh?
When you put it on a plate. Okay. Scoop it out.
Okay.
Scoop. Put it on the plate. Good job. What's next? Can you hold the phone?
We're making pancakes.
All right, Lucas. So you got to go under it and you got to flip it. It's okay. All right, flip it over. Over. Turn it. No, not up in the air. Like this. Okay? Now we let it cook the rest of the way on the other side, and then we're done. What do you think?
I need some water. Good. I want water. I want some water.
How about after we're done?
How about
Which pancake are you going to eat, Carter?
biggest? I'm gonna eat that one.
Okay.
This one.
And
All the dumb.
what are you going to...
I want to eat all the pancakes.
Well, let's eat one first. Carter, what do you have?
I have pancakes.
You want some butter and syrup on it?
Dad, can you find the 2 pieces?
You want syrup?
I like it. This. I like them.
You want some what?
I like brown. I like brown. Now can you find the brown?
Brown what?
Brown ice cream.
On your pancake?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Or you can use that. I want to help. There's any color.
What color do you want?
I want brown.
All right, can you sit down? All right, where do you want this ice cream?
What should?
Right there? Okay.
I want a spoon.
Okay. I'll get you a spoon.
Dad, I will do something.
How's your pancake and ice cream?
Good.
Good?
Oh,